Welcome. Today I want to show you how to batch import multiple page PDFs in CorelDRAW. This way is more efficient and more professional. Let's get straight into it. Create a new document. Go to File, click on Import, select your document, click on Import. Check this, and then check this. Checking this means you are going to import all the pages in the document, and then click on OK. You wait for the document to load. The document is loading. As soon as it finishes loading, your mouse pointer will turn to this shape you're seeing. Most people click and drag. That is wrong. If you click and drag for a multiple page document, everything will be clustered here. But if you press enter on your keyboard, then it will spread the pages across neatly. So let's press enter on our keyboard. Here we are. The pages are spread across. You can see page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Nothing is clustered at one place. So I believe this way you have seen how you can import your multiple page PDFs in CorelDRAW in a neat way and a more efficient way. Alright, the next thing I'm going to show you before I end this video is how to import selected pages from the PDF documents you wish to open. Let's get straight into that. We create a new document. Repeat the process. Go to File, Import. We're going to pick same document and then import. Here, instead of checking this, you're going to check this. And we have 1 to 12. Clean this, delete that, enter the pages, the various pages you want to open from this document. Okay, we want to open page 2 and page 5. So you enter a comma, and then we want to open page 5. We press 5 on our keyboard. We want to open page 6. We put comma immediately after the 5 and then enter 6, and we want to open page 12 since the document is a 12-page document, so we have need for page 12 as well. We enter comma after the 6 and enter 12. So we are opening about 4 pages from the 12-page document in our CorelDRAW. So you click on OK. You wait for it to load. As soon as it loads, please do not forget, this is where most people get it wrong. Do not click and drag. Instead, you want to press enter on your keyboard. You press enter, and here we are. We loaded page 2, page 5, page 6, and page 12, which is the cover, the last page. So this is how you can import multiple page PDFs in CorelDRAW. Most people click and drag into CorelDRAW. By doing this, for instance, let's pick this, click and drag, and then OK it. It is loading. it is loading, and then we OK. Here is the file. This is a 2-page document. Let's ungroup. You see, everything is clustered. This is what I was saying. A 2-page document, but everything is clustered there. If it was a 50-page document, everything will be clustered here. So it is a wrong practice to open PDFs that way in CorelDRAW. Rather, you open the way I just showed you. I believe this video was educating. If you have other ways you open and it comes out professional and neat, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do well to follow for more videos.